Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the vlog. It's been a while. It's been a wee while, hasn't it? I've been a super busy bee trying to pack stuff up, get it sorted and ready for moving. If you watched my previous vlog, you'll know that Stu and I's relationship has had its day in the sun, so I'm moving out. And what that means is I'm taking a lot of the furniture with me. So Stu's got some new stuff, and because he's on a night shift tonight, I'm spending my Friday building some flat pack, and I am not mad about that. Like, genuinely, I love building flat pack furniture. Yes, it does make me furious a lot of the time, but I just feel like that's part of the experience, you know? Let's experience it together, shall we? And let's build this. What actually is it again? What is it? It's like a TV stand, cab drawer. You'll see. Okay, let's check everything is present and correct. So we should have one of you and one of you. Check. One. Right, these are the tricky ones. The pictures aren't great, you know. I think, oh my god, I don't know. We'll just say yeah, we've got that one. We've got that one. Just put two. 13, 14 here now with this. Right, okay, 1, 2,
this piece.
3, check. Is that you?
How are these different?
2, yes, check. Oh, not convinced. 2 of you.
Oh no, oh wait.
Yeah, no.
Wait, what?
Yes. Ah, no. Ah. Yes. There. And there. See? You know? You see? You just got to pay attention and focus. Yeah? All pieces are present and correct. Let's move on to step 1. We need pieces 9, 10, 11, 12 and 12. Yeah. These ones. Was it? Was it though? Yeah. 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 We've got 9. We've got 10. No, fuck's sake. Right. Aha. We've got 9. We've got 10. Amazing. What is this glue? Oh, I regret this. Why are we gluing it? I'm still going to be asking that question at 11 PM. Why am I gluing anything if it's got a fucking thing that you... Right, let's just try it. Like, I just don't understand. It doesn't say, like, I wish it had the diagram, but a written instruction as well to say, this needs glue because da-da-da, not just a stupid little, you know, like there, that instruction. I mean, I can see the hand applying glue, but I would like an explanation as to why that's required if you're already locking it, you know? It's just, it's unnerving. Next. Push the 2 panels together, allowing the dowel to align the hole. Seems legit. Maybe it's just a little glue to help it along. Longevity? Unnecessary if you ask me. Like, why the fuck would you glue that on? Like, look at that tightening those screws, right? Look at that. That's a sturdy piece. Doesn't need glue. It just serves to complicate matters and increase anxiety levels. Next. Why have you not thought about this? I mean, I've only started and I'm furious already. Oh! I've done that wrong. Shit. Am I okay? Like, am I actually okay? That was right all along, was it? No? What the... Oh my god, okay. Wow. That's it now. Jesus. How many steps has this got? I'm on 3 of 14. She's coming on now though. She's coming on. Still mad at the glue, but she's coming on. Oh, 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 no, 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 no. Ha 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 ha. Oh, wait, no, fuck. Wait, right. Yep. There. Is everyone okay? I was fucking right, you donut head. You've got to focus, you've got to keep the focus with flat pack. Oh, that's fine. Calm down, Ilka. God, this is tense. You know? Yes, my friends. Yeah, look at that. I love when you turn it. I love when you turn the turnies and it pulls it together. Glue it, glue. Glue it, glue it, glue. A little bit of glue along with it, and a little bit of glue along the way. Glue it, glue it, glue it, glue. Glue it, glue then. I didn't like the glue before, but it's produced this gluey song, and I think it's really cool to sing about your glue. Right, I must stop that now. Okay, line her up, boys. Line her up. Line her up. That's it. That's it. Line her up. Oh, okay. Well, is everyone alright? Is everyone okay at the minute? Yeah. Oh, oh, right. Oh my fuck, lads. This is tricky. It's getting a bit fucking wild in here. Oh, oh lads. This is not okay. Oh. Shh, 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 quiet. Don't anchor anything. Yeah, are you in? Are you in? Come on, girl. Oh, fuck is your problem? Don't make me beat you, okay? Yeah? Don't make me beat you. Oh, maybe I have to turn the things. Where's the hello? Oh. Yeah? How are we looking? Sturdier cabinets have existed. That's it now. Come on, lads. The camera battery died, but I screwed that top part on. Manually, may I add, I didn't cheat and use the electric screwdriver. Hands are a bit blistered now, but you know, no pain, no gain. Added this little frame at the top. Now, all that's left to do, slap the lid on her, and then pop the drawers in, which I assembled earlier. Thank you very much. And then, I think we're good. All right, let's finish this beast. Oh, that's hard. Is that hard? Sounds like hard. Ooh, okay. What? What the fuck? No, sorry. Sorry? Is this a joke? Sorry. What? In what fucking universe? Is that okay? Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, what? Whoa. How has this happened? Okay, it's back to my book I go. Oops. they were just on the wrong way there. I had that drawer. It should have been in that one and vice versa. I thought they got the pieces wrong, but it was just my brain there. Flat pack complete. Not too shabby, my friends. Not too shabby. All that's left now is for Stu to just tar it up a bit. Put a couple of little knickknacks down there. Get his TV on there. A couple of little bits and pieces in the drawers. And that's it. A job well done. What a wonderful Friday. Focused flat pack Friday. Hi guys, me again. So I said I was going to take you all on this journey with me. This process, and take you all along for the ride, let you know what's happening, keep you updated. And I am going to continue to do that. So there's been a development since my Funtime Friday furniture building, and the situation as I know it has changed. I'm not going to go into intricate details about anything here. I just wanted to keep you updated, but also I have respect for other people's privacy. So just because I'm talking about what I'm going through on this doesn't mean you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying, guys. So contrary to my last vlog where I was saying that this is a really healthy breakup, it's just super chill, you know, I'm just gonna take my time, we're still buddies, so I'm gonna just move when I'm ready, you know, get everything packed up and sorted and then go and get settled. It's all good. My perception of the situation was not reality at all, and I feel really embarrassed and naive, silly, and really sad. And you guys were so lovely in my last vlog, and you sent me loads of messages to say I hope you're okay, and I really appreciate that. That was so kind. So just know, just please know that essentially I'm fine. Like, I really am fine. I'm going through it a little bit at the moment. My head is pretty minced up. But I know that it's just something that I'm going to have to ride out, and that I can ride out, and that eventually it'll be fine. So please don't be worrying. I just want to update you truthfully about where I'm at and what I'm feeling. So that's it. We're trying not to be scared, well, me going forward, I'm trying not to be scared of being emotional or vulnerable, which I dare not a fan of, don't enjoy that. So this is kind of helping me, you know, this is therapy for me. Hello to you, doctors. You're all my doctors. Welcome to my life. Lay me down on the couch. Ow, my back. So, in summary, I'm probably going to watch this footage back and it's going to be a rambling mess of nonsense. But in summary, head's a bit of a washing machine, but essentially we're fine. Everything's going to be okay, and it's just the move that's going to be a bit quicker than I thought. We're picking up the pace. We are picking up the pace, guys, and we got this. We move. Hi guys, I just got a package and I had to tell you about it because it's very, very exciting. So one of my friends, a sneaky little sausage, a sneaky cheeky monkey cat, has sent me a little parcel, and I'm really... So it's these two beautiful little packages from Little Bear Bakes Caithness. I don't know Little Bear Bakes. Very cute. Little Bear Bakes, very nice. We've got a little card here. Let's just have a look at this now. Love a parcel. So it says on it, S'mores brownie pudding bites. Okay, okay then. Yep, sure. Like, I'm definitely on board with that. Right, we'll untie it. Brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favourite things. They really are, and I'm very excited. So we'll get this open. I mean, it really is tied up with string there. It's fine. That's it. We're in. Oh, I wonder if they're both the same. S'mores brownie pudding bites. Yeah, they are. They're the same. I'm okay with that because that sounds... Let's open them together. Ooh. Okay, first of all, yes, we love a crisp, cracked top on a brownie. Oh, I can see some marshmallow action. Look at that. I love that. Packaged in a little nest. I love just plain cardboard packaging. I think it's beautiful. Oh. Look, you can see the s'mores inside. Oh, okay, right, okay, let's get into it. How does one get into it? It's beautifully packaged. I mean, very well packed in here. Right, I'm gonna need a scissors. I don't like to bite stuff because my teeth are sensitive. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with. We have brownie top, and then what did we call them? Sorry? S'mores brownie pudding bites. Okay, yeah. Oh, hi Marshmallow. How are you today? Smells good. Smells wonderful. Yeah. Okay. Nothing wrong with that. Not a thing wrong with that. Let me check out this little bear. Little Bear Bakes. Right. Little Bear Bakes Caithness. Little Bear Bakes Caithness, hi there. Got them on Insta. Who've we got? Homemade bakes and treats available in the local area. And certain bakes available by mail order. DM me. Okay. I mean, yeah, they've got a picture there. Ooh, this is beautiful. And it is. Who's this gal? Do I know her? What else does she do? Brownies, blondies. She did mince pies at Christmas. Fudge and boozy balls. Hi there. Love that. Right guys, well, go and buy her s'mores brownie pudding bites. Go and give Little Bear Bakes a follow. Little Bear Bakes Caithness on Instagram, because yummy. Thanks, Kat. You're a wee babe. I wish you nothing but good things. Good things and chocolate things. Oh fuck my fucking battery, motherfucker. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on? Go to oh. Huh? The absolute scenes from my hair at the moment, like hi, hello, what's the story in Balamory? Wouldn't you like to know? Okay, 2 of those and 1 of those, check. 2, oh. 2. What? Oh, that's a horrible sound, god damn it. Oh, fuck me. 2. How are they different? How are they different though? This is, oh no, it's in a separate bit. Okay. My hands are really hot doing this. My close friends will know that I've now got something that we all know and love called the sausage fingers. It's very uncomfortable. It's a circulation issue. It's very boring. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with. Come on now. Any chance, babe? Oh, wait a minute. No. Fuck. Focus. Can you focus on the brownie, babe? It's your only job, thank you. Right, okay. What the fuck? Right, come on now. Will I? Will I get this open? Nobody knows. That sounds really harsh. It's torture, it's torturous. Trying to pack stuff up, get stuff sorted. Wow, there's another knot there. There's another knot there. If you watched my previous vlog, why you do this to me, little beer beaks? I can't get my I want to taste it. Okay, here we go. If you've watched my, what am I trying to say? Are you okay? Are you okay? We are in. No, we're not. We're not in yet. So, yeah. Right, we are 100% in now. We're definitely in. We're nice. Oh my God, are you okay, darling? Oh, babe. You've got to be careful, sweetheart. 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Oh, what the fuck? Right, sorry, what the fuck? For fuck's sake, lads. We need a whole ass screwdriver for it. Do not say you will need. Oh my God. That's not even it. It's not even fucking it. Right. I'm just gonna write, well, fuck off. If you want me. Oh. It doesn't even say, it doesn't even. This is some fucking bullshit. Next. Hey. Stupid fucking glue. Getting in my fucking way. I'm gonna kill this camera. I need a new fucking stand for it, cause this one is up the fucking spout. Milka, how did you not fucking see that, you stupid bastard? What am I okay? Or like, can I? I'm just so mad about the glue situation. What? That's not it. I'm not fucking, it's asking me to glue it again. Get to fuck next. You absolute wankers. That's not correct. I love flat pack furniture. I love doing the flat pack. Fuck off.